Product type: pump dispenser. Made in Taiwan. Package dimensions: 7.5 L by 12.913 H by 1.0 W inches. Package weight: 0.14 pounds. This convenient replacement bottle is for the American Standard soap, Lotion Dispenser. Allowing for the convenient dispensing of liquid soap, detergent or lotion, this bottle is easy to install. Eliminates soap and lotion containers cluttering your countertop. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect fit. I moved into a rental that has a built-in soap dispenser in the sink. It was missing the soap reservoir, so I was hoping this would fit so I could use this neat feature. I had no idea how to figure out the model for this American Standard sink, still have no clue how to figure that out short of asking my landlord. This fit perfectly and I filled it up with soap, only to discover that the pump doesn't work, so I need to replace it. Luckily that's also available on Amazon. Lol, go figure, but this is a great buy.